Welcome, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the camera settings, and here in the intelligent features category at the third position we can find the scan QR codes option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep it turned on, because when you have it you can scan QR codes by putting them inside your camera and you don't need any other app to do it, so this is really easy. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.